Get some before shots with the 2019 Ram Rebel. We got no Nerf bars. Me and Uncle Paulie are gonna install the Nerf bars. Okay, just giving a quick look at the Ram. All right, let's go grab the Nerf bars and we'll toss them on. Okay, let's grab the Nerf bars here. We've got them inside. We're gonna open up these boxes, lay them on the ground so that we can lay down and see what we've got for studs under there. It's to the front. So the short extension is gonna be the front. The long is to the rear, so that would make this the driver's side. Okay, so this is the driver's side. Let's get set up and show you how we rock and roll. What we want to do is get our packaging and lay our Nerf bar on the ground so as not to damage it. Let's go underneath. We're going to throw some cardboard down. We'll go and inspect the studs. Then we'll align it, make sure everything lines up, and we'll get going. So we do have 3 factory studs in the front, 3 factory studs in the center, and 3 factory studs in the rear. So basically, we're going to hook the holes on, hook the bar up, and we'll just get the screws on loosely. Right, Uncle Paulie?
You betcha.
Let's slide it under and we'll get it hooked up.
Three nuts per.
Yeah, 3 nuts. 3 nuts per. That's all there is to it. You're gonna hang it from the bottom. We'll put it on loosely and then we'll set the adjustment, Uncle Paulie, and then we'll tighten them up. Crank them down, cousin. Not all the way. We're gonna leave them loose. We'll check for space on the outside and then we can tighten them up all the way. Okay, this side is all set. Rinse and repeat. Do the same to the other side. Back in, guys. This side is all set. They look pretty awesome, I have to admit, and they're very heavy duty. It's like a baked on powder coat. Really durable looking, very heavy duty, tough N-Fab Nerf bars. Okay, we did have to replace a couple of the screws that weren't going on. The screws are not that high quality, so we did have to get a few of those and screw them on, but it worked out in the end. I think the look is pretty good. Try to give you guys an overall walk around what she looks like from the front, then the rear. Okay, it looks pretty cool there. They just look good. They look sporty, you know, better than you know, a straight, even running board. They look more sporty, I think. There's the back view. Yeah, so that's it. Good product, guys. Looks really good. I'm very happy so far. It's been like 10 minutes. Okay, so that's my first add-on to the Ram. And next up is gonna be my cover for the back, and hope you guys stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next vid.